Welcome to the best picks. The best 2011 Tacoma headlights are probably one of the most important safety features of your truck, ensuring you can see and be seen on the road, especially during night driving or in poor weather conditions. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect headlights for your 2011 Toyota Tacoma, covering factors such as brightness, durability, and ease of installation, helping you make an informed decision based on your needs and budget. Number 5. ACANII Toyota Tacoma Headlights. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with these brand new headlights from ACANII. They're a perfect fit for 2005 to 2011 models and will give your truck a fresh look. These headlights meet all US and Canadian regulations, ensuring maximum safety and illumination. They're built to last and provide reliable performance. While professional installation is recommended, it's a straightforward process. They're designed as a direct replacement for your existing headlights. The package includes the lenses and housings for both the driver and passenger sides. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day return policy and a 60-day warranty for your peace of mind. A signature may be required upon delivery. These headlights will not only improve the look of your truck but also enhance visibility and safety on the road. Drive with confidence. What we like. It's a brand new replacement that meets US and Canada safety standards. With a 30-day return policy, it's a low-risk upgrade. If you need a reliable, affordable replacement, this is a great option. What people say. These headlamps went in exactly like the original equipment. They adjust correctly and are nice and clear and bright. Replace 13-year-old faded, yellowed and crazed originals. The headlights themselves fit perfect and it was very simple to transfer the bulbs to the new lights. They look outstanding. Lights look great. Installation for this amateur went well with the help of a few YouTube videos. Fitting these in is tricky, but not too time-consuming. Once installed, aiming had to be performed. The two adjustment bolt screws were easy to find and somewhat easy to reach. Number 4. DWVO Tacoma Headlight Assembly. It fits 2005 to 2011 Tacoma models. They use H4 bulbs, but you'll need to supply those separately. These headlights have improved illumination. The metallized reflectors cast light further, making night driving safer. Completely sealed with silicone, it keeps moisture out. Rain, snow, or dust won't affect its performance. They're made with tough polycarbonate lenses and a high-impact housing. It can handle road debris and off-road adventures. It's a direct replacement for your old headlights. Professional installation is recommended. You get both the driver and passenger side. What we like. These headlights boast improved illumination and are completely weather-sealed for reliable performance in any condition. Its impact-resistant design makes it perfect for off-road adventures. If you prioritize durability and enhanced visibility, especially in harsh weather, then this is the one for you. What people say. They fit well, look great, and weren't too difficult to install. These lights installed easy. They look great. The light pattern was good as expected. They adjusted out easily. These fit my 2006 Tacoma perfectly and I didn't have too much trouble installing them. I applied clear silicone caulk along the edge of the lenses like others have recommended. There's a tremendous difference in the amount of light on the road at night. Number 3. ACANII Toyota Tacoma LED Headlights. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with these sleek, new headlights. They offer a modern look and improved visibility. These are 100% brand new headlights, including the lens and housing for both the driver and passenger sides. They meet all US and Canadian regulations, ensuring maximum safety and compliance. They're DOT and SAE stamped for your peace of mind. While they're designed as a direct replacement for your stock assembly, some wiring may be needed for the LED and halo features. Professional installation is recommended. The lenses provide full illumination for optimal night driving. Experience enhanced visibility and safety on the road. We stand behind our product with a 30-day return policy and a 60-day warranty. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. A signature may be required upon delivery. Please be prepared to sign for your package. What we like. This option offers stylish LED DRL and a halo ring for a modern look and enhanced visibility. They provide full illumination for safer night driving. If you want to upgrade your Tacoma's look and lighting performance, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These headlights look great, and also put out great light. Installation was easier than reinstalling the original headlights. They made a 2010 Tacoma look like a much newer model. The lights look awesome. Number 2. oEdRo Tacoma Headlight Assembly. This headlight assembly is perfectly compatible with 2005 to 2011 Tacoma models. It uses standard H4 bulbs, but please note that bulbs are not included. These lights significantly improve visibility. They minimize glare while enhancing your ability to see other vehicles and pedestrians. It's built with premium materials, a clear polycarbonate lens and durable PC housing provide excellent resistance to heat, vibration, and dust. Completely sealed with silicone and a one-way vent, it prevents moisture buildup, ensuring a long lifespan and preventing corrosion or fogging. Installation is straightforward. No modifications are needed, however, professional installation is always recommended for optimal results. What we like. These headlights offer brighter, safer illumination with minimal glare, thanks to their premium materials and design. They're also easy to install. If you value ease of installation and improved visibility without sacrificing quality, this is a great fit. What people say. Easy to install, looks great, fit well. Headlight housings themselves are very good though, super clear, sturdy, easy to install, perfect beam pattern, no blinding, put some LEDs into them. The headlights look great. I've had them on for about a month. I washed my truck and they haven't had any moisture in them. Also the clear coat on the headlights seem to be holding up. I don't see any flaking yet. Number 1. WEELMOTO Tacoma Headlights, 2005 to 2011. These headlights are a perfect match for 2005 to 2011 Tacomas. They're designed for an easy, plug-and-play installation, and don't forget to use your existing bulbs. The matte black finish is both stylish and glare-resistant, giving it a modern look that's easy on the eyes and helps keep them clean. They're made by a professional headlight manufacturer with IATF 16949 certification, meeting all DOT standards for your safety and peace of mind. These headlights have undergone extensive testing, including drop, vibration, and weather resistance tests, ensuring a long lifespan. Experience superior brightness and a precise light pattern thanks to our expert design. They meet SAE standards for optimal performance. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design and included instructions. Plus, enjoy a 3-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It's a perfect OEM match for your Tacoma, rigorously tested for durability and longevity. It comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. If you demand the best quality and long-lasting performance, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The quality of these lights are great. The ease of installation didn't take very long, just under an hour. The brightness of the lights is so much better. Packaging, fitment, and look are all excellent. Fits good and looks good. Haven't had them for long but the truck looks good as new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.